It's incredibly hot in London. Poor things. Been very sad this morning. After watering it carefully, they are kind of seems better. Hidden enemies. No. Listen. I always kiss them on the top. I think it's the root, but at least it's set for another week. I need to keep an eye on it. I love the Euchera. It's beautiful. And this is Geranium Roxane. One of my favorites. Flowers all the way through autumn into then you have to cut it hard back. See them? Another good one for long-term flowering. Adding texture to the borders. Hello, me. A kick from a ball could be fatal for my plants. This border really suffers from lack of water. You see how leaves are flopping. It's fine, it's alive, but we won't expect any flower from it this year. Another my favorite Euchera. We'll see what it does when it's in the sun. Flowering in the shade, lack of water. It's alive, however, no flower. Another peony. Just had enough of it. And my beautiful Annabelle is going to flower, but its flower won't be as big and bright white as it would be in healthier condition. Now the Roxane. Carrots. This is called I don't remember at some point. Not at the moment, however, it does flower and beautiful flowers. This is not doing very well at the moment because of the lack of water.
Şu kadar akıyor artık onu sonra malzeme getirip çözmek. Bu kadar değildi. Çoktan su gidiyor, anladın mı?
Perfect. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, that's better. Absolutely better. This is fine. At least this area will have more water than the rest. You see, they could flower longer if they had enough water this week. Alchemilla is flourishing on this border. You see, the same ones with unusual shape, as you see. Oh, Just a little more, please. We can't have enough of water for him.
Ya,
Yeah, take it.
şu saati bir ayarlasana. Benim devreye girip. Zamanla bir bak sen.